Okay, so I have a decent amount of the program working. The initial things that I wanted to get working correctly was this. Here's a time bar that it shrinks down. It'll start when I restart the program, it'll fill with yellow, and then it will decrease as time goes on. Once it hits 2 seconds, it turns red, and then once it hits 0, then a game over screen will flash. And I got the screen to flash, but the I'm still trying to figure out how to keep it as stating game over, to kind of like pause the tick function. That keeps running, that keeps reanimating the screen, obviously. I also haven't added in functionality to increase a rounding score yet because I have to finish building a different data structure that I'm using in the game. But what I do have working is I was able to program the joystick. I used the joystick component and created a new component that tracks the movement of the joystick specifically to register an up, down, left, and right, given the specific displacement region or the displacement values of the joystick. And then I have a data structure called arrow, which has a set of states that it follows, a state machine where it's looking for the correct input from the joystick in order to complete itself, per se. And so what'll happen is when I flash the monitor right now and rerun the program, I have an array of arrows that will appear on the screen one by one, and then given the correct input, they'll disappear. And so this is what it looks like. So I push up, down, right, left, up. So that's the array of arrows completed. There's the timer working and the game over screen that shows up. So there's a handful of things that I want to work on and improve, but at least this is a good milestone that I've reached on the project.